What you were just watching, and that was Kevin Pereira from G4's Attack of the Show, by the way, was a short film we here at Tested made to celebrate my latest build and to celebrate the return of G4. One of the questions I get asked most in the world is, what was your favorite build? And the answer is reliably whatever I have just completed building, just completed obsessing over. And while that is also the case with this spacesuit and its partner, the fact is it's going to remain one of my favorites for a long, long time. I spent all summer building a pair of spacesuits here in the cave with a scrappy small team. I encountered tons of problems. I solved most of them. I have over a dozen suits in my collection, and these two suits are without a doubt the most complex things I have ever built in the spacesuit realm, both from electronics, structural, and aesthetic point of view. The best part is, we filmed the entire process. Of course we did. It's Tested. Yeah, it's going to end up being a multi-hour, multi-part build series that covers everything from the earliest designs all the way through execution and filming. I have had our whole team here has had a tremendous summer making these, and I can't wait till you guys get to see it.